The ASUS 1200? The Be Quiet? Dark Power Pro 12 or Corsair RM850? Perhaps the Thermaltake Toughpower or the Seasonic SSR? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 quiet PC power supplies available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best quiet PC power supplies. The 5th product on this list is the Thermaltake Toughpower GF1 1200W. This unit provides enough power for a high-end gaming system and connectors to transfer that power smoothly. Its proportions are standard, with a depth of 160 millimeters, so it will fit most systems. In terms of the fan, the GF1 has a hydraulic bearing fan powered by an extreme speed profile. This power supply unit includes many cables and connectors, such as 2 EPS, 6 PCIe, 12 SATA, and 4 4-pin Molex connectors. There is also an FDD converter in the package for those who still require one. Now let's talk about its cable. The cable length is sufficient, and the distance between the peripheral connectors is ideal. Lastly, there is no cable caps, and the ATX, EPS, and PCIe cables up to the first connector use thicker 16 AWG gauges. This platform employs a half-bridge topology on the primary side and an LLC resonant converter for greater efficiency. Lastly, this unit operates at about 35 to 40 decibels, so it shouldn't disturb you too much while gaming or concentrating on an important project. Its pros are: it has a max DC output of 1000 watts at 122 degrees Fahrenheit operating environment. It has a sufficient number of ports and compatibility with an optional sleep mode, and it has fully modular low-profile flat black cables. However, it produces increased noise under stressful conditions. The Toughpower GF1000W is a great power supply that's perfect for a high-end gaming system that has enough cables and connectors to transfer all this power smoothly. Up next in 4th place is the Corsair RM850. When it comes to performance, your PC's power supply plays a crucial role in determining the reliability of your system. This is why you should exercise caution when choosing the best power supply for your system. Thanks to Corsair RM850, you'll never have to worry about this. This unit is a fully modular power supply, which can provide excellent ripple suppression. It includes 2 EPS and 6 PCIe ports, allowing it to quickly run a powerful gaming system. We like that the PCIe cables up to the first connector employ thicker 16 AWG gauges for lower voltage dips under high loads. As is typical of CWT implementations, the soldering quality of this power supply is excellent. The RM units have greater efficiency under extremely light loads and support Windows 11's new modern standby mode, improving your PC's boot time and connectivity. It also features the sleep state, which typically takes 7 to 15 seconds to turn on, depending on your PC's configuration. In contrast, the modern standby function promises to reduce that to under 5 seconds. In the actual world, power supplies are constantly dealing with changing loads. Therefore, the PSU must retain its rails within the ATX specifications stated ranges. The fewer the variances, the more stable your computer will be, with less stress on its components. Moreover, the device operates at 25 to 30 decibels under normal loads and even less in certain modes. On top of that, you'll also be able to admire Corsair's efforts to improve efficiency under light and moderate loads. Overall, the RM850 takes the lead here, particularly under light loads where the efficiency differential between the other units is significant. Its pros are: its cooling fan automatically switches off entirely when it's not needed for near-silent operation. It comes with a 10-year warranty on all RM series power supplies, and its standard-sized casing ensures an easy fit in almost all modern enthusiast PC cases. However, there is no way to disable the semi-passive operation. The Corsair RM850 Performance is an excellent power supply choice in almost all areas, with extremely high efficiency levels under very light loads. Still haven't found a quiet power supply that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Seasonic SSR-1200PD. Your concerns will likely differ depending on whether your power supply will power a massive mining rig, or always-on workstation, or a primary productivity or gaming PC. Luckily, The Seasonic is one of the best performing 1 kilowatt PSUs. It promises even better overall performance, making it a good choice, especially if you're a serious gamer. This power supply comes with a slew of options that include the word Ultra in the model name. You'll appreciate how many improvements it has over previous models. Because there are no in-cable caps, power cords are easy to work with. The older model had 2 SATA connectors, whereas the new model is SATA 3.3 compliant, which means it supports power disable. Its fans profiles are more relaxed, and you can jumpstart this power supply without a motherboard. This should allow these PSUs to operate at lower noise levels of 20 to 25 decibels, and is one of the most appealing features. Lastly, to keep the profiles as conservative as possible, this power supply uses lower fan speeds and updated control circuits, which helps reduce general noisiness. Its pros are, its lack of in-cable caps make it easier to manage the power cables. It uses carefully selected components and innovative circuit design to minimize sound output, and its design keeps the output voltage within a very tight range. However, it is a little larger than most power supply units, so you need to ensure your PC case is big enough before purchasing it. The Seasonic SSR-1200PD Ultra is a high-performance unit built with carefully selected, high-quality components and technologies. It's a popular choice among power users and customers who place a high value on dependability. The second product on this list is the ASUS Rog Thor 1200. This next unit is another power supply that performs admirably in all areas. It is also the quietest PSU in its wattage class, producing less than 25 decibels of noise even under load, with an outstanding Lambda certification on the cybernetic scale. It's critical that your power supply looks great, and ASUS clearly kept this in mind when designing this model's inbuilt OLED panel, which displays real-time power draw data, addressable RGB lighting, and AuraSync compatibility. This company is known for producing a wide range of components, so it makes sense for the company to enter the power supply industry. Another appealing feature of this power supply is its appealing appearance, controllable RGB lighting, and large OLED display. Aside from the 2 EPS connectors, this machine has 8 PCIe cables, 4 of which are mounted on separate wires. There are also 12 SATA and 2 SATA 3.3 compatible ports with the power disable function. For this model, all heat sinks have been replaced with larger ones to allow for decreased airflow and thus less acoustic noise. All the components used in this platform are of high quality, but the ball-bearing fan, which is far more heat tolerant than FDB fans, stands out. FDB fans are known for their quiet operation and ensure long-lasting reliability. Its pros are, it's built with 100% Japanese capacitors for stability and durability. It's made with dust-proof IP5X wing blade fans and integrated RGB heatsinks for cooler operation, and it features a nearly endless spectrum of colors with the ability to synchronize effects. However, it's pretty large compared to other models, so once again, you'll need to measure your PC case before fitting it. The Rog Thor 1200W is a good fit for enthusiast users requiring lots of power and minimal operational noise under load. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top quiet power supply is the Be Quiet ToughPower Pro 12. This top manufacturer on our list is known for making various high-quality PC components, and its power supply line is not an exception, thanks to its low noise and dependable performance. Take those characteristics and combine them with a high power output and an 80+ titanium efficiency rating, and you have the Be Quiet ToughPower Pro. This power supply unit is a beast. It achieves high overall performance while remaining near silent even under extreme operating circumstances. There are 2 options with maximum power ratings of 1200 watts and 1500 watts, depending on your needs. Both are manufactured by CWT and employ a new platform with digital control for most of its circuits. These units may attain up to 94.9% efficiency, which is outstanding, especially for hardcore PC enthusiasts. It lets you acquire a fully modular power supply with a 135mm fan to keep things cool under stress. There are 8 PCIe connectors, demonstrating how serious this PSU is about power delivery. And you may pick between multi and single rail 12-volt modes. Not only that, you'd be happy to know that its overall performance is notable, with more than enough pieces to accomplish a good job. The soldering quality is good, the operation is silent with regular use, and it hardly gets above 15 decibels even when pushed to the limit. So, if you're looking for a PSU that can power your new high-end rig while being whisper quiet at the same time, this is the power supply for you. Its pros are, it has superior transient responsiveness, it has a fully digital control that results in higher efficiency, better regulation, and lower ripple noise. Its fan is mounted on a tripod, enabling maximum airflow and a virtually inaudible operation at ordinary loads, and it has an energy efficiency rating of up to 94.9%. However, its minimalistic design might not appeal to users with glass-sided PC cases. The Be Quiet Dark Power Pro 12 is ideal for building a quiet but efficient system. With all its remarkable features, it is without a doubt the best power supply for your build. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.